on holiday in sunny Portugal, yeah. And I said I should do a little specific recipe from Portugal while we're here. So I chose a very easy one because, as you can see, we don't have all the ingredients that we have at home, of course. So I chose a very easy one. I chose a milk and cinnamon tart, which doesn't require much. So for this milk and cinnamon tart, we will need 4 eggs. Yep, right here. We will need 200 grams of sugar, white sugar, of course, 130 grams of flour, and 260 milliliters of milk. Yes, I have on the fire, I melted a bit of butter, 32 grams of melted butter. And at the end, before we put it in, I found in a little shop here a bit of cinnamon. So we're gonna sprinkle it with a bit of cinnamon at the end. Yeah. So for the first bit, you have to mix the melted butter with the sugar. Of course, what we do normally, we put the oven on. The oven is already on at 180 degrees. Yeah. And we buttered and floured a tin. I don't have tins, I'm afraid. So I'm gonna use a pie dish. That's what I found here. Hopefully it will come out, but it should be okay. So we mix the butter and the sugar first. Yeah, see you soon. Okay, guys. So got nothing else to mix. Butter and sugar. We're adding the 4 eggs now, and then we mix a bit more. Yes. Yes. So, eggs. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 4. One tiny bit that went inside. We need to get it out. Okay. So done with the eggs. Yeah. After the eggs, mix some more. There we go. And flour. Yeah. See you in a bit. Right. So flour in now. Yeah. And at the end, we add the milk. And then it needs to sit for 10 minutes in the tin before you put it in the oven. So just put the milk in. Yeah. For a vacation spot, I actually found quite a few of the things I needed, you know. We're gonna try and bake something every time we're away. Something specific, something local, or cook, or something, because it's gonna be fun. Why not? Why not? Yeah, it'll be fun. Right, so put the milk in, yeah, and now we are going to pour it in. So all this little batter, yes, in the little tin, and it needs to just sit for 10 minutes. I don't know why, but we are going to do just that. I'll let it sit for 10 minutes. I'll do my dishes in the meantime. And I'll come back to you guys after 10 minutes when we sprinkle the cinnamon on top. Yep, see you soon. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, so it's been sitting for 10 minutes. We are just gonna sprinkle cinnamon on top. Yeah. and that should do. And we are going to bake it now for 30 minutes. Yes, we'll go in the oven for 30 minutes, and I'll come back to you guys when I get it out to show you how it's like. See you soon. Okay guys, so it's out of the oven. Yeah, it actually looks good. It looks really, really nice. It has a bit of a rise to it as well. I don't know if you can see it. It's very hot. Don't want to burn my little fingers. But all in all, I am very proud. Look at this. This looks really nice, and it has a rise. Come on. Can't wait to try some later. But that was a transmission from Portugal. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching as always. We'll see you next time, and in the meantime, don't forget, go break an egg.